I want to give you some quick wins. Here are 4 quick tips that are going to make public speaking dramatically easier for you in the future. Big tip number 1, cheat. That's right, you heard it. I'm not suggesting anything illegal, but use a cheat sheet. I do. A lot of the best speakers in the world do. Because the reality is, as a beginner, you're going to get nervous. It's harder to remember what to say. Don't put pressure on your brain. Use a cheat sheet. If I want to give an hour's speech, here's an outline of everything I'm going to say for an hour. Now here's the key. Here's the secret magic. Only use 1 sheet of paper, big, bold letters, and don't put whole sentences. Your eye can't look up at people and then look down and find sentences and paragraphs. Just have 1, 2, 3 words, bullet points, large font. No one will ever know you're using, even if it's right in front of them. So that's 1 quick tip. You want another quick tip? People will think you're a magician. If you ever have to give a PowerPoint presentation, you can have a slide. It can be someone's boring slide. All you have to do is hit the letter B. Hit the letter B, blacks out the screen. Any key whatsoever brings it back. This way, you appear to be in complete control, even if someone has given you a really boring presentation to give. The next big tip, if you want to get rid of the ums and uhs in your voice, type up the word or or and cut it out. Put it on your cell phone, your watch if you wear a watch, a laptop, any computer screen, and then draw a red circle around it and a line through it. You know, like no left-hand turn, no parking. After a week, your brain will be reconditioned and you won't say ah or anymore. You can simply pause. This way, even if you are still nervous, you'll seem completely composed. The number 1 really big tip, easy tip, practice anything you have to say on a cell phone and look at it. This is what the pros do. This is what no one did because the technology was too expensive until not that long ago. But you can do it today as a beginner. Just practice anything you have to say, whether it's a book report, whether it's an analysis of what your team has done in the last quarter. Just practice right in your cell phone. Look at it, figure out what you like and don't like. 4 quick tips. Now, let's move on.